Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, August 20, 2020 on our channel. Let's go. First news today. Thermofin presented commercial series condensers TxCCH. The gas coolers, dry coolers and condensers of the commercial series are possible in a variety of designs. Different geometries and tube diameters serve the optimal adaptation to the respective application and design case. A low filling volume with the best price-performance ratio without quality savings is guaranteed. The coolers are available with 0.5 mm gas coolers and condensers, or 0.12 mm tubes, dry coolers, and are suitable for operating pressures of up to 130 bar, CO. They impress with their compact housing with a minimal footprint. They are optionally available with energy-saving EC fans and a TCS.2 thermofin control system. Designed for gas coolers and condensers. The condensers of the TxCCH series are designed with 5 mm tubes as standard. In this way, with low filling volumes and maximum power density, you offer optimal conditions for operation with natural refrigerants, CO, propane/propene, and HFCs. The compact heat exchangers with embossed aluminum fins and highly efficient 5 mm copper tubes are a future-oriented technology for standard applications at an optimal price-performance ratio. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. HEA invests in site expansion in Poland. HEA Group AG decided on strategic guidelines and significant investments to further optimize its production network. In this context, production at the Bodenheim site near Mainz will be discontinued by the end of 2024. The plant in Koszalin, Poland, will be expanded into a center of competence for pump production and comprehensive machining. HEA will invest around €30 million in this expansion. Investments and a further consolidation of production and process activities are planned at other locations, too. The aim is to further strengthen HEA's global production network in order to increase productivity and reduce its cost base. The agreed investments, as well as the guidelines of the underlying production strategy, are key pillars of HEA's overall strategy. They are part of a series of measures the group has decided on and implemented over the past 18 months, a new organizational structure, restructuring measures, and the new composition of the executive board. As part of the production strategy, production is supposed to become more international to increase customer proximity and leverage cost advantages. Additionally, it is planned to concentrate products and processes with synergy potential at certain locations and to increase capacity utilization. The aim is also to expand standardized production based on modular systems and to optimize the depth of value creation, partly through the reintegration of tasks that had previously been outsourced. The expansion of the Polish site in Koszalin is the first major investment within this production strategy. Since the adoption of the targets at the Capital Market Day 2019, HEA has already relocated around 40,000 production hours from Château Thierry in France to Chongqing in China. The transfer of a further 120,000 production hours within China by consolidating the Shanghai plant with Suzhou will be completed by the end of this year. The current productivity initiative and associated investments in digitalization and automation are expected to increase productivity and reduce overall costs. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Secop has started to relocate its KAPPA Production Line. Secop Group is currently optimizing its footprint in Europe, pooling production and logistics at one location to reap synergies and increase efficiency. Since the beginning of August, Secop has started to relocate its KAPPA compressor production line to its Slovakian plant in Zlaté Moravce. The ramp-up of the assembly in Slovakia will start on October 1, 2020. The transfer of the Austrian production site in Forstenfeld to Nidec began after the acquisition of the Delta compressor production line by Nidec in June 2020 and will be completed by the end of 2020. In the meantime, Secop Austria will move to a new location in Gleisdorf. This new R&D competence center will house R&D, related labs, and global functions. The official opening is planned for October. Fourth news today. China Refrigeration Expo 2020 unveiled in Chongqing today. Jointly sponsored by China Council for the Promotion of International Trade Beijing Sub-Council, Chinese Association of Refrigeration, and China Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Industry Association, organized by Beijing International Exhibition Center Company, Limited, co-organized by Chongqing Association of Refrigeration and Hubei Association of Refrigeration, the 31st International Exhibition for Refrigeration, Air Conditioning, Heating and Ventilation, Frozen Food Processing, Packaging and Storage, hereinafter referred to as China Refrigeration Expo 2020, was launched at Chongqing International Expo Center on August 19, 2020. P. The theme of the China Refrigeration Expo 2020 is making steady progress, tiding over difficulties, leading by quality and seeking innovative development. In the special period of normalization of the COVID-19 pandemic and the complex and severe context of global economic downturn, shrinking world trade, and restructuring of the international industrial chain, the Expo aims to unite the whole industry to overcome difficulties and seek development jointly. It was held with the purpose of accelerating the formation of the new industrial development pattern that the China refrigeration, heating, ventilation and air conditioning industry is dominated by the domestic large-scale cycle, and shares the mutual promotion of the domestic and international double cycles. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.